Welcome to 5th grade Math Standards of Learning. Our topic for today is metric measurements. We will be determining the best metric unit for each of the following measurement situations. But before we jump right into that, let's remind ourselves of the standard units, the standard metric units. The standard unit for length is meter. We have smaller units like decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter. And we also have larger unit, which is a kilometer. The standard unit for liquid or volume is liter. The smaller units, deciliter, centiliter, and milliliter. And the larger unit, kiloliter. Weight or mass is grams. We have decigram, centigram, milligram. We have kilogram and a much larger unit, ton. So let's look at these measurement situations. Our first set, we have a ruler, a table, and the length of a road. Length of road. So when we're trying to decide what unit of measure to use when it comes to length, anything that is larger than 10 millimeter but less than a meter, we're going to use centimeter. So larger than 10 millimeter, that is anything that is larger than 10 millimeter, we use centimeter. And the best example of that would be a ruler. So the best measurement unit for a ruler is centimeter, because that is less than 10 it's larger than 10 millimeter, but it's less than a meter. So this is centimeter. A table, we would use meter. And the length of a road would be kilometer. So we can think of a ruler. When we're thinking of centimeter, we think of a ruler. And then anything larger than the length of a ruler, we all know what a ruler is, a 12-inch ruler. Anything larger than that, we're going to use meter. And anything that is larger than a meter, then we go to kilometer. Next set, an ant, a handful of peanuts, and a box of books. So here we are talking about weight. We're talking about weight. So the mass or the weight depends on the size and the weight. So an ant, we know, is small in size and it weighs very little. We all know what an ant looks like. So in this case, we're going to use the smallest unit, which is milligram. Milligram. And we have a handful of peanuts. We can envision what that looks like. And we're going to be using grams. We use grams. Gram. And a box of book. A box of book, we would use kilogram. because a box of book we know is heavy. Okay, so let's go to the liquid measure, and here the unit of liquid measure depends on the container. So the larger the container, we are going to use a liter. The container is large, we are going to be using liter. If it is very large, we're going to be using kiloliter. So a liter would be something like your soda, a soda bottle, or we could use liter to measure water. We say a liter of water or 2 liters of water. And liquid medicine, you know, most time they have to use a little tube to drop the medicine because it's so small in volume. So that we're going to use, it's very small in volume, so we're going to use milliliter. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.